Hey everyone, welcome back to the Summary Shelf. Today we're diving into an incredibly practical and life-changing book, Master Your Time, Master Your Life by Brian Tracy. This isn't just another book about productivity hacks or morning routines. It's about rethinking your relationship with time itself. Because at the end of the day, your time is your life. How you spend each hour, each day, compounds into the life you're living right now. So in this video, we're going to break down 1. The core idea behind the book. 2. The 10 categories of time Brian Tracy says we all use. 3. The key principles and tools to get control of your schedule. 4. The pitfalls to avoid. 5. And most importantly, practical steps you can start today. By the end of this video, you'll have a roadmap to take back control of your day, reduce stress, and make space for the things that actually matter. Let's get into it. Section 1. The big idea. The core message of Master Your Time, Master Your Life is simple but powerful. Backhand index pointing right, the quality of your life depends on the quality of how you manage your time. Think about it. Time is the one resource that's 100% limited. You can lose money and earn it back. You can lose possessions and replace them. But time, once it's gone forever. That's why Brian Tracy says time management is actually life management. If you want a better life, more success, more happiness, more fulfillment, you have to start by mastering your time. Section 2. The 10 categories of time. This is where the book really stands out. Brian Tracy breaks down time into 10 categories. Each type of time has its own purpose, challenges, and strategies. Let's go through them one by one, with examples you can relate to. 1. Strategic planning and goal setting time. This is the time you spend planning your future. Writing down goals. Asking, what do I want in 1 year, 5 years, 10 years? Example, taking 1 hour on Sunday night to plan your week. Writing your top 3 goals for the month and breaking them into weekly actions. Why it matters. If you don't plan, you drift. Most people spend more time planning a vacation than they do planning their life. But this category is where direction is set. 2. Productive time. This is the time you spend actually doing the important work that moves you closer to your goals. Small blue diamond example. If you're a writer, this is the time you spend writing your book. If you're a salesperson, it's the time you spend making calls or meeting clients. The key is to cut distractions and focus deeply. Productive time is when you generate results, not just stay busy. 3. Income improvement time. This is the time you dedicate to learning new skills, improving your knowledge, and increasing your earning capacity. Small blue diamond example. Taking an online course in digital marketing to upgrade your career. Reading a book about investing. Practicing a skill that makes you more valuable at work. Why it matters. If you keep getting better, your income and opportunities will keep growing. 4. Spare time. This is the leftover time between tasks, commuting, waiting, downtime. Most people waste this by scrolling social media. Small blue diamond example. Listening to an audiobook while driving. Practicing a new language on an app while waiting in line. Spare time can become learning time or reflection time if you use it well. 5. Work time. This is your standard working hours, meetings, emails, projects. But here's the danger. Most people confuse being at work with doing valuable work. Small blue diamond example. A 2-hour meeting with no clear outcome is wasted work time. Brian Tracy's advice. Ruthlessly eliminate time thieves, unnecessary emails, unplanned interruptions, pointless meetings. 6. Creative time. This is time for thinking, brainstorming, problem solving, coming up with new ideas. Example. Setting aside 30 minutes in the morning just to think about how to improve your business, your content, or your personal life. Without creative time, you get stuck in routine. With it, you innovate and find better ways forward. 7. Problem solving and decision-making time. This is time you use to think through challenges, weigh options, and make decisions. Small blue diamond example. Spending an afternoon evaluating which project to pursue instead of rushing into the wrong one. Tracy reminds us, a single good decision can save you years of wasted effort. 8. People and family time. This is the time you invest in relationships with family, friends, colleagues, community. Small blue diamond example. A family dinner with no phones. Taking your kids to the park. Meeting a mentor for coffee. It's not just about quantity, it's about quality. Being present. Because at the end of life, relationships matter more than tasks. 9. Rest and relaxation time. This is the time you rest, recharge, sleep, and recover. Small blue diamond example. Sleeping 7 to 8 hours. Taking a weekend off work. Going for a walk in nature. Tracy emphasizes, rest isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. If you don't rest, your productivity collapses. 10. Quiet time. This is time for solitude, reflection, meditation, or prayer. Small blue diamond example. 15 minutes of journaling in the morning. Sitting quietly in the evening and asking yourself, am I moving in the right direction? Quiet time helps you reconnect with yourself and your values. It's where clarity comes from. Section 3. Key principles and tools. Now, how do you master these categories? Tracy gives us several powerful tools. 1. Clarity. Be crystal clear on what you want. Vague goals lead to wasted time. Small blue diamond example. Instead of saying, I want to be healthier, say, I will run 3 times a week for 30 minutes. 2. Prioritization, the law of 3. Every day, identify your 3 most important tasks, the ones that create 90% of your results. Example. Instead of a to-do list with 20 items, circle your top 3 and do those first. 3. Eliminating distractions. Turn off notifications. Batch emails. Protect your focus. Small blue diamond example. Checking email only twice a day instead of every 5 minutes. 4. Time blocking. Schedule chunks of time for different types of work. Small blue diamond example. 9 to 11 a.m. is deep work. 11 to 12 p.m. is meetings. 2 to 3 p.m. is creative thinking. 5. Momentum and consistency. Do small steps daily. Consistency beats intensity. Small blue diamond example. Writing 1 page a day. Over a year, that's a 365-page book. 6. Continuous learning. Use your spare time to grow. Small blue diamond example. Listen to a podcast on finance during your commute. That's hours of learning every week without extra effort. 7. Balance. Plan time for rest, family, and reflection. Burnout kills productivity faster than laziness. Section 4. Common pitfalls. Tracy warns against. Doing too much at once leads to overwhelm. Being reactive instead of proactive, living in urgent mode, not important mode. Forgetting to rest, productivity crashes. Saying yes to everything spreads you too thin. Back-end index pointing right the solution. Plan, prioritize, protect your time. Section 5. Action steps you can start today. Let's make this practical. Here are 5 steps you can do tonight. 1. Write down your top 3 tasks for tomorrow. 2. Block at least 30 minutes of quiet time this week. 3. Identify 1 distraction and cut it out. E.g., put your phone in another room while working. 4. Review your week every Sunday. What worked, what didn't. 5. Invest at least 15 minutes a day in continuous learning. Section 6. Why it matters. When you master your time, you feel more in control. You reduce stress and overwhelm. You make progress toward your goals every single day. You create space for rest, family, and creativity. Ultimately, you stop living on autopilot and start living intentionally. So that's Master Your Time, Master Your Life by Tracy. It's not just about working faster or cramming more into your day. It's about working smarter, focusing on what matters, and making time for a life that feels balanced and fulfilling. Back in index pointing right question for you. Which category of time do you need to focus on most right now? Is it productive time, rest, family, or maybe quiet time? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more book breakdowns, and share this with someone who could use a little time mastery. Thanks for watching, and remember, make every minute count.